A candidate can have the right skills and experience, but success also depends on where they have worked and how they operate. Automaton evaluates whether a candidate's past environments align with the target organization's pace, structure, and operating model. To start, select an AI transformation from the library. Next, you will have to select the insights you want to assess. For this analysis, I will be selecting all. The next step is to select the job description or the reference file. The next step is to select the source files, which will be the resumes that you want to assess. Automaton identifies whether the candidate's experience comes from similar, adjacent, or different operating contexts. You can gauge candidate role alignment with a clear data driven score. For example, you can see that this candidate has experience in the marketing agency. The exposure type is core industry role. We also have the accountability insight. Exposure appears foundational rather than substantial. Industry context is clear, but accountability depth is limited and duration evidence is brief. Automaton also analyzes various skills of the candidate, like the SEO/SEM execution. This evaluates the candidate's capability in managing organic and paid search strategies, including keyword planning, optimization, and performance governance. If you want to take the example of content marketing and focus on that, you can open an insight to know more. This candidate's exposure is clearly present from the prior role where the candidate spearheaded content marketing strategy in a growth setting. You can know the exact strength level, which is moderate in this case, because direct strategy evidence exists and is stronger than other capabilities. Still, the resume does not show editorial calendars, governance models, team oversight scale, or content KPI frameworks. Apart from that, you have the match and mismatch reasoning. The match reasoning tells you and gives you a clear evidence based reasoning for why this candidate is a strong fit for the role. It has also highlighted the transferable competency evaluation and execution readiness assessment. There is a very interesting insight called red flags. It surfaces inconsistencies, gaps, or concerns that could impact your hiring decision. Make smarter hiring decisions with expert grade insights. Book a demo now.